Hi everyone, I wanted to make a super quick but really important reminder video for our algebra class. So as you're logging into your online school, your OMHS, and you click on your classes, please make sure that you are going directly to our Algebra 1 course page. You want to do this on a daily basis. This takes you directly into our class. And so this is just a test screen, that's why it's 0 everywhere. Don't worry about that, like a test student account. But it does give you great information. You can see your grade, you can see any overdue items. The progress really doesn't always match up to what we're doing as far as the content in the course, because sometimes I'll add things or I'll take things away. And so you will likely never get this to say 100%. So we don't really want you focusing on the progress percent. We want you focusing on your overdue items and your plan, which I'll show you in a moment. Excuse me. So if you go to your plan, this is going to show you basically the whole semester for our course and what's planned out, right? So let's look at a month view. It's just loading. And what you can choose to do, like right now, this pretend student account is showing all of their courses on the same calendar. If you wanted to, you could drop down here and you could choose only to show your math in your math course. That's what I recommend. I think it makes the most sense. So you would just click these and close these off so they would not appear. But for this example, algebra is blue. And so I wanted to really highlight that every Monday, well, most Mondays, let's look at September, we have our PlayPosit assignments. PlayPosit assignments are really important. They are interactive videos of me teaching you important content. So we need to make sure we're watching those. They're required and important. You can see here's week of 829 PlayPosit. That was on Monday. This week we did not have school on Monday for Labor Day, so it was on Tuesday, PlayPosit. So the beginning of your week is where you're going to find your math PlayPosit. There's the one for that week. There are some weeks where I might change it up for y'all. Or there's some weeks where you might have a lesson like this one and a PlayPosit. So typically I try to only have one math lesson per day, but because our course is a high school course and it does have a lot of material, we sometimes have to have a PlayPosit on the same day. But they're not really long. If you've been watching them, you see they're like maybe 20, 30 minutes. And let's click one and look at it. And you can see with each PlayPosit, I provide you the guided notes that go along with it. And then here's the actual PlayPosit video. These do count for a grade. You do get 2 attempts on every question within the PlayPosit. So if you answer the question and you get it wrong, you can watch the video to get the correct answer. I always give the correct answer after the question. So there really shouldn't be a reason why we aren't doing well on these assessments. If you're having troubles navigating PlayPosit or you're not sure how to like rewind, let me know. I'm happy to help you. But one way you can double check, and this is good for any of your assignments, is if you go to grades. Remember, our end date is coming up. If you go to grades, it has like a really good snapshot. Again, this is just a sample, so everything is not turned in. But you would want to go anything that has a 0. Look, PlayPosit, and make sure you're completing those. You can look down and see if you have any missing quizzes or missing tests. Make sure you're reviewing, reaching out for help, and completing those. The PlayPosits, I can't stress this enough. I'm just noticing a good number of us are forgetting to do those or missing those. So I wanted to make sure to make this video so you all knew exactly where they were. You can access them from your plan on the day it's assigned, or you can also go to content, and over here on the left-hand side, we have a folder called Live and PlayPosit Classes. So the live class folder, just a reminder, has notes for our live classes. And the PlayPosit class folder has our PlayPosits. So you can come here and complete those after the fact if you needed, or revisit if you need to use those second attempts on those questions. So if you have any questions at all about anything in our course, especially as we're approaching that end date of October 14th, please reach out to me. I'm here if you need any help. Don't forget to do the PlayPosits. All right, thanks everyone.